kwa babakari.
My name is Frank, and we're here at Kugeria estate. For the last several weeks, we have been facing the predicament of the discharge of sewer water and effluent from a neighboring estate, and that is the estate that is behind me. And basically, there has been a lot of nuisance. As you can see, we have a whole lake of sewer behind me, and we have tried to talk to the management of the estate, but they've not been very helpful. We also reported this to NEMA, and we are still waiting for some action to be taken.
Kwa majina ni Charles Juma. Maji sio ya hapa. Maji ni ya pande ya ni state ya 5 star huko.